Hello, my name is Eoin Molloy and this is a video demonstration on my final year project ID360. ID360 is an Android application that provides a virtual reality tour to users using a Google Cardboard headset. Initially, there are two available options at the main screen of ID360. One button will bring the user to a demo virtual tour of Reginald's Tower. The second will allow the user to try and scan for a building. If the building is found in the ID360 database, the user will be brought to the corresponding tour. For ID360, there is only one tour available, which is Reginald's Tower. Once you go to the scanner screen, you can move around the camera. This camera has a script attached that looks through the database hosted by Vuforia. This database contains various images of Reginald's Tower, which are used to recognize the building. This is the Vuforia database. The free version of Vuforia provides one database, which can hold up to 10 images. If this product was to scale up, a new database will be needed for each individual tour building. We'll now show a demonstration of the image recognition. So, once the user clicks the scan button, they'll be prompted with this camera where they put an image of Reginald's Tower in front. So when the user makes their way to the tour hub, they are given the general information about the tour building. They can navigate over and read about the history of the building using the history button. This menu hub will be unique for each individual tour in ID360. When the user moves to the VR section using the interactive tour button, they are prompted to put their phone into a Google Cardboard device as shown in the picture above. Once in the device, the user selects the ready button and straps up the device and looks through the two eyepieces. The first screen the user can see is a guide screen in VR. In the background, an audio guide is explaining how to interact within the tour. From here, the user can look around by moving their head. The white dot in the middle is reticle. This allows the user to interact with objects in the scene. There's also text-based instructions if the user needs more help in understanding how to use ID360. So once finished with the guide, the user can select a room to start the tour. I'll start with room 1 as that's where most of the exhibits exist in ID360. You gaze at room 1 using the reticle for 3 seconds. Now once the room loads, you will notice as you look around you are within a 360-degree image of Reginald's Tower. This was created using the Ricoh Theta-S camera. This photo was placed onto a skybox, which is a sphere around the entire scene in Unity. When looking around you will notice 3 buttons, red, blue and yellow. The red buttons control interacting with exhibits in the room. If I use the reticle to stare at one of these red buttons, I will see a video plays. This is a very interesting part of ID360. Once the user interacts with an exhibit, a video sphere is placed around the camera. This has a special texture applied to it, which allows the 360-degree video to play on it. This was created with the aid of the Oculus sample framework. So I'll demonstrate that once again. So when you go back to the middle of the room, you can then interact with an exhibit and a video on play, and you can look around and it'll then bring you to the exhibit. And also, once the video finishes, the sphere destroys itself, and then the user will notice that there's a new image surrounding them, which is close to the exhibit they interacted with. So once the user is finished with a room, they can either navigate to a new floor using the blue buttons or navigate out of the application using the yellow button.